Today I am going to discuss about the problem tinnitus. Tinnitus is such a problem which irritates you all the time. You hear a sound which is not acceptable to the brain. This tinnitus is all is responsible for the ear through the voice which you get, and it is affecting your brain or nervous system or irritate you all the time. It may be the ringing of the sound, ringing sound, or like a bell in the sound. So now, what is the tinnitus? Tinnitus is the perception of the noise or is ringing in the ear. This is basically I will discuss here the geometry of the eardrum and ears. Ear has the three part. One is the outer part, one is the middle part, and third is the inner part. In the outer part, the- there is a there is a pinna. That is outer part is called the pinna. Catches the sound, and it transfer the sound to the eardrum. Next is the middle of the ear. There are three bones, and they amplified the sound in the ear. Next is the fourth part, inner part of the ear, control sound and convert it electrical pulses. The sound which is coming from the outside of the itna, so it convert the sound to the electrical impulse. Thus, interior there is an interior part of the brain which we call the auditory nerve. Auditory nerve is the nerve which is carrying the sound to the brain. This is the basic geometry of the ear. Diagnosis by Agarwal energy concept. I will diagnose this disease according to my own conception, on my own experience, uh, how I visualize this disease, and how I can treat this disease in the tinnitus problem, those who are suffering from tinnitus problem. These are the three basic reasons on a physical level, that are the chronic sinusitis. Chronic sinusitis causes the congestion in the front part of the sinus area and the ear area, and all the phalgum is accumulated in front of the sinus parts, which causes the which affects the auditory nerve or the ethosterian tube, which is connecting the ethosterian tube ear to the nose side. Second is tonsillitis. This tonsillitis is also affecting the this ear problem or causing the tinnitus, because this throat area has the five tonsils. These tonsils are related with the everything sound, ear, ENT, everything ear, nose, throat, everything is related with these tonsils. And third is the stress. If you are heavy under stress all the time, your brain is active and you are not able to concentrate on the things, that you may also have the problem of tinnitus. Fourth is on metaphysical level. On metaphysical level, because all you must know that kidney is the window of the ear. In TCM, Chinese acupuncture theory, every organ has its own opening. Like lungs has opening on the nostril regions, and kidney has the opening on the ears. Stomach has the opening on the mouth. Likewise, liver is also related with the eyes and the circulation system of the blood. Liver is responsible for the circulatory system of the blood in the entire nervous system. So that's why I call it on a metaphysical level. A metaphysical level, tinnitus is a metaphysical level, and this problem is related with the kidney and the liver. Metaphysical treatment of tinnitus. There I have divided this problem of because liver is involvement for the circulation of the blood in the entire nervous system, and kidney is responsible for the energy in the ears, because ear are the window of the kidney. So first I will discuss excess energy in the kidney and the liver. First point is the tipple warmer 17. Why I have taken the tipple warmer 17? Because the meridian of the tipple warmer is traveling around the ear. It is traveling around the ear. That's why I have taken the point triple warmer 17. Color is brown because triple warmer wind is excess. The energy triple warmer wind is excess, that is causing to the tinnitus to the brain or to the ear through the brain. So I have taken this I have taken brown color to sedate the wind energy that is causing the tinnitus problem. Second point is gallbladder 2. Gallbladder 2, why I have taken the gallbladder 2? Because tinnitus is a wind energy problem. All the time the wind energy, the sound is hitting your brain. Then we have to sedate the wind energy so that you can feel comfortable. So I have taken the gallbladder point number 2, color brown, to sedate the wind of the gallbladder. Gallbladder meridian is covering on the head, and it is the post office of the brain. Most of the brain activity is related with the gallbladder organ. Third is gallbladder 43. 43, I have taken the red color. You can put the red color on the Bial meridian also. All the Bial meridian are passing in the hand, or the TCM meridian traveling to the leg only. Leg to the trunk region, neck and the head region. Triple warmer 43 is the red color for your tinnitus problem. Fourth is the large intestine, point number 4. Large intestine 4 number is this is a homeostatic point. It controls the upper part of the body. Any problem related to upper part of the body is controlled by the Li4. Li4 is the homeostatic point of the large intestine. Color is black. Black color I have taken because the large intestine homeostatic point, we want to cool down this area. We want to cool down this area. That's why I have taken the large intestine color black. Fifth point is urinary bladder 23. Urinary bladder 23, why it has been selected? Because UB23 is the back shoe point of the kidney. It is the back shoe point of the kidney. When we activate the UB23, it means we are activating the kidney function. Once the kidney function is improved, the internal part of the ear, because it belongs to the kidney, everything is energized, and that energy will reduce the tinnitus problem. Once the kidney is activated, it is working properly, and ear is the window of the ear is window of kidney. So they have the interrelationship between the kidney and the ears. If you see the shape of the ear, complete shape of the ear is resembling with the kidney. The kidney shape is like this, and our ear shape is like this. Both are in a resembling form. So kidney control the ear internal part also, and kidney ear hole is the window of the kidney. Last point is conception vessel, CV4. Again, I have selected this point only because of kidney. CV4 is the front shoe point of the kidney. So there are the 6 points which can treat your tinnitus problem in the kidney excess energy and liver excess energy. If you are facing liver energy excess, kidney energy excess, then you have to follow this protocol. If in other case, energy deficiency in the kidney and liver, there may be the protocol when you are having a kidney and liver energy deficient. In both the cases, you may be having the tinnitus problem. So if there is a excess of energy, then the first protocol. If there is a deficiency in the kidney and the liver, then there will be a separate protocol. So I will read out all the points which I have selected with my own experience, and I have treated so many patients with the help of these points. And I am sharing these points with you so that you people can treat yourself with the help of these points or putting the color on the fingers, because Sujok meridians are traveling in the hand. Those people, those who are expert in Sujok, they know all the meridian or Sujok meridian are passing in the fingers. And like this, all meridians are passing here. And in case of Chinese TCM, the body meridians are passing in the whole body. If you are a Chinese expert or you are a TCM expert, you can put the needle on the body meridian. If you are a Sujok expert, or you know the Sujok how to treat on the all meridians, then you can put all these points on the Sujok meridians also. The second point is kidney 3 and 16. 3 and 16. 3 is the humidity point of the kidney. Humidity point means accumulation. The concept of the humidity point is accumulation. It tries to accumulate the things, but we need the wind, the sound voice coming to our noise. It should travel properly, but the humidity energy not allow to expand that energy or flow in the energy. It is constructing it. So that's why I have taken the sedation of the humidity energy. Color 3 is the yellow color of the humidity. We will put here yellow color on the humidity, because here the energy deficiency and kidney and liver energy are deficient. We have to boost the energy. If we will boost the energy, then problem will be solved. If there is excess of energy, then we will reduce the energy. Okay, it should be clear to you, and you have to keep in mind regularly. Once the energy is excess, then we have to sedate the points. Once the energy is deficient, then we have to tonify the points. That is the important point in my protocol. Whenever I make a protocol, I always keep is this thing. If the disease is due to deficiency of the energy, then I am tonifying the energy, or I am enhancing the energy, or I am trying to increase the energy. If there is a excess of energy, then automatically it will be reduced. It will be sedated. All the point will be sedated. So in kidney 3 and 16, here we are trying to tonify the energy. We will increase the energy. So K3 is the yellow point, humidity point. By putting the yellow color on K3, we are tonifying the kidney humidity energy. K16, K16 is the K16 red point, red color point. Red color, why? Kidney energy is the coldness energy. We have to tonify the coldness energy. That's why I have selected the kidney 16 red color. Second point is small intestine 19. This small intestine point 19 comes over here. Comes over here, or it is near the eye lobe, ear lobe. It comes to the ear lobe. And small intestine is already pair organ of the heart meridian, heart organ. Heart and small intestine both have the heat energy. Heat energy means we have to tonify the heat energy in the ear so that the circulation may be better. Then I will put the red color on the small intestine number 19 point. Third point is the urinary bladder 23. Again, as I have discussed earlier, urinary bladder 23 is the point of the kidney, back shoe point of the kidney. Again, I am putting black color on 23 point, because we have to tonify the kidney function, because the problem is due to less energy in the kidney area. So I am tonifying the kidney urinary bladder energy by putting the black color on it. Fourth point will be consumption vessel 6. Conception vessel 6 is again homostatic point, and I will put the black color to tone the kidney energy. Fifth is the urinary bladder 18. Urinary bladder 18 is also point for the urinary bladder to enhance the its strength. I will put the black color on it. In this slide, next slide, you can see a chart of both the hands. All the Ball meridians are plotted here. Back side, one side is a nail side and other side is a simple side or the inside of the palm. There are few points which are available on front of the palm, and few points which are available on the back side of the palm. Just for the example, UB23 or bladder 23. I will call them by the same name. It may be the B3 or bladder 23. So the points which are available on the back side of the palm or front side of the palm, accordingly you can put the color on these points. This chart has been given basically so that you can understand how to treat yourself. Once you treat yourself, your problem will be over, and in case of any problem, you can ask me. About AIHR, this is a non-profitable organization. I am the founder member of this organization, and I am trying to help the people, those who need the help in the medical field. Thank you.